Welcome to my channel VBA Basic. Today I am going to discuss about the different types of buttons to run a macro. So let me create a module. So let me rename as using buttons. So let me write a small program using. So where I want to print the marks as a student number, student name, and marks. So sub student. So where I want to print. So I have two sheets. And let me create in a sheet 1. So I have to activate the sheet 1 to write the program in the A1, A2 and A1, B1 and C1. So range of activate of sheets of 1 dot activate in that range of A1 dot value is equal to student number, range of B1 dot value is equal to student name. So whenever you give the strings, in the sense text, you should enclose in a double quotes. So for the integer values, for the numbers, no need of enclosing any values, any double quotes. Value is equal to marks. So I'm giving the values for them also. For student number as 1, student name as Mohan, and marks as some 70. So range of which cell I'm going to give as a B2, A2. A2 dot value is equal to 1 range of B2 dot value. See here the integer value as 1. That is the reason I have given as a I didn't enclose in a double quotes. But Mohan is a name in a string which I am enclosing double quotes. Range of C2 dot value is equal to 70. So when I run the code step by step, I am running with using the F8. So sheet 1. Right now sheet 1 will be activated under range A1. A1 cell will be student number, B1 cell is student name, C1 cell marks, range A2 as 1, B2 as Mohan, and C2 as 70. So end user, say for a programmer, they know how to run, how to debug, but the end user will not be having any idea about the debugging. So we have to give a small solution to him to run this program. So this whole program, I'll create a button or any shortcut to run the macro. So let me delete this one. I'll go to developer, click on macros. So the one which we have done is for student. So select student, the macro, in the sense the sub procedure where we have written here sub student. The other one which I was seeing is my basic, the other one. Right now we are concentrating on the student. So go to developer, click on macros, click on student, and click on options. See in options, you can give any shortcut, any value. So let me give as control V. So what happens? See, as we are very much habituated to control C and control V. If we give this control V, the normal property of control V, where it is pasting, it will be overlapped by the student program. So let me show. See, now just close it. So now if I press control V, automatically the program will run. So even if you want control C, I have done control C and try to paste the values control V, it doesn't work because it is overlapped by the program. So in one way it is, I feel it is drawback. So let me remove the shortcut key for this one. Click on student, click on options and remove the control V. So say okay. This is one type of shortcut key where you can run the program.